How to fix verifying update failed on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you are in here, you need to head over to General. And then scroll all the way down. You'll get to see the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Move into it. Tap on Reset. You have to click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode of your device. Once again, you have to enter the screen time passcode. Now, if you click on Reset All Settings, the settings will be reset. So once the settings has been reset, go back to your previous page and then you have to move into Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi is turned on, you have to turn off and turn it on again. Once it's done, now go back and move into General once again. Scroll all the way down and click on Shutdown. You need to swipe this icon at the very top, slide to power off. Once your device has been shut down, you need to reopen it and then enter the password of your device. And that's it. By doing this, it might fix the issue that you have been facing on your iPhone. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix verifying update failed on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.